बिहार में भारतीय जनता पार्टी का स्पष्ट मत है कि स्थिरता आनी चाहिए और स्थिरता के साथ साथ बिहार का विकास हो और आगे बढ़े बिहार, इसकी आवश्यकता थी। नीतीश जी ने जो कल भ्रष्टाचार के खिलाफ एक साहसिक कदम उठाया है, उसके साथ जुड़ करके हम चाहते हैं कि यहाँ पर बिहार में स्थिरता आए और इसके लिए भारतीय जनता पार्टी कटिबद्ध है। मैं फिर कहना चाहूँगा कि नीतीश जी के इस्तीफे के पश्चात जो स्थिति उभर करके आई है, उसमें राजनीतिक अस्थिरता न आए, यह भारतीय जनता पार्टी की चिंता रही और भारतीय जनता पार्टी चाहती है कि बिहार का विकास हो और इस विकास में अपने आप को जोड़ना चाहती है।
All right, let's straight go across to Nalini. Nalini is at JDU Chief Sharad Yadav's residence. Nalini, no word from Sharad Yadav. Where is he? What does he feel?
Yes, Parikshit. In fact, we think Sharad Yadav was consciously trying to avoid the media here, not coming out with a statement, not coming out in the open, stating anything about Nitish Kumar's decision that we heard last night. But let's remember, this is probably not the first time that we've seen a disagreement between Sharad Yadav and Nitish Kumar on matters that are important to the Indian politics. We've seen several times in the past where Sharad Yadav has disagreed with the moves that Nitish Kumar has made, but every single time the Bihar's Chief Minister has gotten his way. We saw that during the demonetization crisis. We saw that very recently during the presidential elections even, right before Nitish Kumar decided to take a stand for Ramnath Kovind, supporting Ramnath Kovind. Right before that, we've seen a strong pitch from Sharad Yadav for the opposition candidate. So this is not the first time that the two are at loggerheads, especially after it was Nitish Kumar who had actually ended Sharad Yadav's 10 years of uninterrupted presidency at the JDU. So this is not the first time we've seen it. We saw that even during March 2010, when Nitish Kumar had come up openly in support of the Women's Reservation Bill, even though Sharad Yadav, Mulayam Singh Yadav, Lalu Prasad Yadav were all taking a very strong stand against it. So Nitish Kumar has a tendency to take an opinion or take a stand different from Sharad Yadav's ideology, which probably is the reason why Sharad Yadav is not visibly happy about this decision. We've not heard a statement from him so far. He's specifically asking his security not to allow the media persons inside, but Republic is going to relentlessly track it, try and get a word out from him as soon as possible, and we'll keep our viewers updated with that.
All right, stay with us. So it seems that there are at least two leaders. Sharad Yadav himself not happy with Nitish's decision. Ali Anwar, JDU MP, also unhappy.